A lot of people worry about mold inside, but it's a good idea to think about mold outside and how it can affect your home as well. So here are a few tips on how to keep your entire home mold-free. First off, clear any excess debris. Now this does include cleaning your gutters. They say a clean home is a happy home. So get rid of any leaves standing by your home, as they provide shady, moist areas for the nastiest of molds and mildews to grow. Make sure to repair leaky faucets around your exterior walls, as they're perfect for mold buildup. Be sure to trim any low-hanging trees, as they give moss and mold easy access to your home. Also, help keep your siding and fences dry by trimming any surrounding foliage and allowing them to get proper sunlight. And finally, if you store your grill outside in the open, get a cover for it. Moisture can get trapped in there, creating the perfect home for mold. For more safety tips, check out our other videos. And if you have any concerns with mold, please give us a call.